thunderstorm. Flash of lightning across the sky, roar of thunder rolling by. Shake my world asunder tonight, wild with power, fierce with light. Hard rain on my weathered face, howling winds through time and space. Every drop washes pain away, gives me strength for another day. Life is like a thunderstorm, raging wild, cold and warm. Breaks down what I thought was sure, leaves only what can endure. Love is like a thunderstorm, beautiful, reckless, fierce and strong. Dark clouds gather without a sound, the heavens then come crashing down. Old regrets run to the sea, carried away and set me free. The lightning dances, the thunder calls, echoing through these ancient hills. And in the chaos I find peace, a cleansing rain, a sweet release. Life is like a thunderstorm, raging wild, cold and warm. Breaks down what I thought was sure, leaves only what can endure. Love is like a thunderstorm, beautiful, reckless, fierce and strong. When the sky tears open wide, there's no place left to run or hide. The rain reveals what matters most, the things I love, dreams I hold close. And when the storm has passed away, a brighter sun lights up the day. A cleaner heart, a clearer view, a world reborn in shining blue.